Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix SD card not recording or not recognized by your XIAOMI Smart C701. And first, what you have to do is and tap this joystick over here and move it upwards. Here, now, once done, take your camera to your hands and eject the SIM card from here. Oh, here it is. Now, as you can see, we have our SD card here. Try cleaning your contacts on the SIM card, SD card here itself, using some soft cloth, and then just put this once again here firmly until you hear this click. After hearing the click, you should see this voice tone, and now you can move it like this back again and check if it works. If it works, that's nice. But if it isn't, you need to format your SD card in either on your PC to FAT32. So get yourself, for example, this SD card like this. This is the adapter to the SD, not micro SD to SD, and then just plug this into your PC and format it to the FAT32. If you don't know how to do it, tap this three dots over here, tap manage storage, tap SD card status. Here you should see bad or maybe not recognized or something like that. If you see here that it's recognized but not recording, tap format SD card here. And actually that's it. That's it for this video. If you want help, please consider subscribing and leave a like on our video. Goodbye.